Google has just officially released Gemini 3.1 Pro. This model has achieved a verified score of 77.1 on the ARC AGI 2 benchmark. So to show you a better picture, that is more than a double the reasoning performance of the previous Gemini 3 Pro. So let me open the performance benchmark here so we can see it. Okay. Yep. I'll just zoom out a bit. Okay. Now we can see here we have this ARC AGI 2, sorry. And here's the Gemini. So the Gemini has 77, Gemini 3.1, sorry, has 77.1 here. And next to it, we have Gemini 3 Pro that has 31.1%. So that's more than a double lower than the Gemini 3.1. And then we have a Sonnet 4.6 with 58% and also Opus with 68.8. And now we have just GPT 5.2 with a 52.9%. So now we are moving away from from a simple chat interactions into a world where the model can solve entirely new logic patterns it has never seen before. So this is not just a minor iteration. It is the core intelligence that powers the deep think tool Google teased last week. And now it is being rolled out across the entire ecosystem. So if you felt like the previous models hit a wall with the complex logic, and that wall just got knocked down. And one of the most impressive practical applications of Gemini 3.1 is the ability to handle creative coding. It can now generate website-ready animated SVGs directly from a text prompt. I'll show you this in a second. Unlike the traditional video files, these are built-in pure code, meaning they stay crisp at any resolution and have tiny file sizes. So Google demonstrated this by having the model translate literally themes from Wuthering Heights into a functional, modern, personal portfolio. Let me show you that actually. So here's it. It's not this one, actually this one. Yeah. So here's the portfolio. I'll just move a bit down. Yep. So this was just like a prompt to a Gemini 3.1 Pro from the Wuthering Heights. Yeah. So I'll just move more to additional examples here. So yeah, as you can see, it didn't just summarize the book, it reasoned through the atmospheric tone to design sleek interface here. And it also showed of an interactive 3D styling murmuration. I'll show you that also. There's another one. Where users manipulate the flock with a hand. So this is it. We're looking right now. I'll just zoom out a bit. So you'll see now the hand gestures here. Okay, I'll just move it here. Okay. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll just open something that I generated actually here, and this is the thing that I generated a page here. So I just asked Gemini 3.1 Pro to using the AI Studio in Google. So just to generate a professional, trustworthy, aesthetic, here. Actually header. So sorry, I was asking for some kind of header or hero section for a truck shipping company, and we need something like professional, but we need some animations of the trucks moving there. So this is the prompt actually. Now we generate a homepage hero section for a truck shipping company with animated section and SVG's trucks of driving over, but it has to look professional. So that's the only thing I asked. So this is the response. And now we can see here, we have some stylings here. We have a body, we have a header as well. And the most important thing here is the generated SVGs as well here. So we have animations. And let me find that. So yeah, we have SVGs of trucks. So we have truck 1 and all the things inside of it. And now we have a truck 2, foreground colors, etc., truck 3, and so on and so on. So I'll just hit play here to show you this actually. So this is our homepage here from this prompt. And it looks like this. The colors look nice. And it is like a hero section for a truck shipment company. So the only thing that I see here and that is like not working properly in this animation, I would have to do more of this, iterate more on this prompt, is because as you can see here, these truck wheels are just going away from the truck. So this is not good, but everything else seems fine. So as you can see, the road is moving and the tracks are moving here, and this looks also nice. And as we just provided it with just simple prompt here, that's what we actually got here. So this is still fine. Okay, and let's get back to the Gemini 3.1 Pro. So yeah, for those of working with the data also, the Gemini 3.1 Pro is designed for tasks where a simple answer isn't enough. So it can now bridge the gap between the complex APIs and user-friendly design. A key example provided by Google is a live aerospace dashboard. The model successfully configured a public telemetry stream to visualize the International Space Station's orbit in real time. So this demonstrates also the model's ability to synthesize data into a single functional view rather than just providing a text-based summary. It is moving toward being an agent that can actually build the tools you need to monitor complex systems. So these things are just happening in single prompts. So this is really interesting. And so, yeah, where you can actually use this right now. The Gemini 3.1 is rolling out in preview starting from yesterday or today. For consumers, it is available in the Gemini app and Notebook LM, specifically with higher limits for those on Google AI Pro and Ultra plans. But for developers, the access is even broader. So you can find it in the Gemini API via Google, yes, to AI Studio Google, and also the Gemini CLI Android Studio. It is also integrated into Google's Anti-Gravity, which is the Google's agentic development platform. So enterprise can access it through Vertex AI and Gemini Enterprise. And note that while it is leading on the 13th of 16 major benchmarks, it is currently in a preview phase to validate updates before general availability. Also to mention, if you're using Cursor or Windsurf, it is also available there, so you can just go there and use it out of the box. At least you have to update those tools that you are using. So, and yeah, Gemini 3.1 Pro represents a massive shift toward agentic workflows and advanced reasoning. With 77.1% score, it is currently outperforming rivals like Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.2 in the abstract reasoning tasks. Whether you are a developer looking to use the new full-stack prototyping tools in AI Studio or a student using Notebook LM to synthesize complex research, this updates change the baseline of what we expect from AI. So Google is clearly pushing for a future where AI doesn't just talk, but builds and reasons through the hardest challenges. So make sure to check your Gemini app today to see if the 3.1 Pro toggle is active for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye.